Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. I'm from Nepal. I live in Saudi Arabia 5 years. And my vlog explore daily life Saudi Arabia, foreign employer as a coffee maker, how to survive, so what we sacrifice. Actually I am from Nepal, but I make this exploring video not just for Nepali people, from all the country. That's why I use language the English. So this is my normal, which means just like normal employer, daily life, how we survive, so what we do. So why I exploring this content? Because before come Saudi Arabia, then we expectation more thing. That's why what we expectation, then what we get the reality, exploring my vlog. So actually this one is outplay. Right now I'm in outside. So this is the outside, and just like any country have to two weather, summer then winter. So now in Saudi Arabia already in the summer. So now temperature out 43. So this is the temperature, hot weather now 43 is we cannot survive for a long time. Just like certain time it's okay. Just like in the cross the road, that's why I walk in the two-way. Maybe he become behind coming the car. That's why I looking around. So this is the reality. So actually right now 1 hour then more we cannot stay the outside continue. That short time it's okay. So now 43 temperature hot weather. Then Saudi Arabia. So this is must be know the people. In Saudi Arabia we have the summer and winter two weather. The winter almost more, also have the not the normal, must be little bit more cool, cannot survive also even same like the summer. Right now if certain time 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 15 minutes, it's okay, can survive that time. But more than 1 hour we cannot survive like that moment. And that's why people must be know this one. I think I have to come out this way. This way there have some disturbing the way. I think better go next way. So this is the reality. We survive daily life. Just now I am from now accommodation to workplace duration hour 20 minutes. That's why I walking to go duty. So this is not for just the video. This is the people, many people who in Saudi Arabia already want to come Saudi Arabia. That the guys can understand, can take advice from my video, can take the information from my video. So this is my reality, daily life. لا خلاص خلاص हाँ خلاص البابا جلال بعد مشكلة मालूम बाबा जलन بعد مشكلة لا بابا ماما مشكلة इसी कैमरा بعد مشكلة मालूम that guy is daily listening to play as a child. That's why before, when I meet first day, second day, I give him. But daily I cannot take in my picture in my blog because this is have to be some problem maybe. Try to be just one time, two time it's okay, it's the baby. We can take the picture, take the video, but daily we cannot. We have to know this is the what the right, what the wrong. So today I try to stop it right there. Don't come in my blog because daily if I bring it to blog, maybe problem. Maybe baby child doesn't know what wrong, what right. So we have to take by self decision. So that's why I take it decision. I stop to him. Just I be alone. So this is my reality, daily life vlog. So I want to show the place like that. Never ever you didn't see no one in this the way. Because this is the very difficult country. The outside right now is too hot. No one can want to round now walking. That's why. Also me right now is a little bit I feel hot. Because almost before I came in, I stay inside the AC. That's why my body is cool. But now outside 43 temperature hot. It's become early. My body is hot. So this is my luck, daily life. How we survive. Any moment I can take the capture, but I think tomorrow I go some good place because tomorrow my off day, and that's why tomorrow I go some like before. Tomorrow my off day, that's why I'm happy. So one week, one day I have the weekend off day. So that day I can take a lot of time, enjoy. So this is my in my future I can see that this video because I have the YouTube channel. That's why that my this is my day. I can see the later in my future after 5 years, after 10 years. After 20 years, I can see that time. That's one thing one more thing. Then one more thing. In Saudi Arabia, I do job the coffee maker. That's why people must be know now is digital timing. Everything is possible. That's why most of the one of the now generation is trending timing. The social media is many people can give the information by self. That's why if I in my future, if I go Nepal, in my country, maybe any country, I can make for myself business in my what is my have a skill. So now I think I have to check the time, how long time, because my time is 20 minutes, almost 11 o'clock. So I have to close right now the camera.